Hi friends, this is Naveen here. In this video, I'll be sharing with the people the steps to know which stock is going to announce its results tomorrow, that is on next trading session. Before getting into that, myself Naveen Kumar, in this channel I'll be uploading videos or contents like daily analysis videos on daily basis, educational contents and important market updates. I'll be uploading contents like this. If you are interested, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. So to know which stock is going to announce its results in the next trading session, open your browser and go to the Money Control websites. Money Control result calendar. Click on this link: quarterly results, financial results, annual results. Go for this link. Result calendar. View all. Here in this page you can find the stocks that is announcing its results in the next trading session by filtering on dates on the basis of dates. Let me explain with an example. Today's date is 23rd July, Friday, and you want to know which stock is going to announce its results on Monday. As it is Friday, you are Saturday and Sunday will be trading holiday. Usually it will be in holiday. And Monday, that is 26th July. You want to know which stock is announcing its results on 26th July. So let me show you. Here filter by, you can click on this date 26th July and apply. Here you will get the list of stocks which are going to announce its quarterly results on 26th July, Monday. See, here the date is mentioned. Okay, 26th July. Okay, 26th July, 26th July, 26th July, 26, 26, 26. You will find the list like this. Okay. So on Monday trading session, the stocks, important stocks that are announcing its results are, see, Axis Bank. Axis Bank is announcing its results. Apollo Pipes, DLF. See, these are the stocks, Jindal. So basically you will get the list like this, which are announcing its results in the next trading session, that is on Monday. So this is how you will get to know which stock is announcing its quarterly results or financial results on your desired dates. Okay. So follow these steps to know which stock is announcing its results. Thank you.